Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for the best garden carts, here is a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customers. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Aerocart's GCR4 Polyard Cart. The Aerocart's 4 cubic foot garden cart is an affordable option for those seeking a compact and functional solution for transporting materials. Unlike larger, more expensive models, this cart is budget-friendly without compromising on utility. Its compact design, featuring a low profile and 2 wheels, makes it easy to maneuver, though it still boasts a robust capacity of up to 300 pounds. The cart can be pushed or pulled, and its 10-inch pneumatic tires combined with a low center of gravity ensures smooth movement over uneven terrain. The polybed is designed to withstand impacts, making it durable enough to handle rocks and other heavy materials. Additionally, the folding handle enhances convenience by allowing for easy storage when not in use. However, some users have noted that the tires may not be of the highest quality, which could affect long-term performance. Despite this drawback, the cart's affordability, portability, and sturdy construction make it a practical choice for light to moderate gardening and yard work. Number 2. Worx Aerocart 8-in-1 Yard Cart. The Worx Aerocart stands out for its exceptional versatility, offering a range of accessories that enhance its functionality. Included with the cart are a brace for holding lawn bags, a rock plant mover, an in-bed organizer, and a fold-down plate that transforms it into a dolly. Despite its many features, the Aerocart is straightforward to assemble, taking approximately 15 minutes, and its design allows for convenient upright storage against a wall, saving space. One of the most notable features is the cart's solid, no-flat tires, which provide durability and stability, supporting the unit's impressive 300-pound maximum load capacity. The sturdy steel frame further ensures reliability, effortlessly handling heavy items like 200 pounds of firewood, large gardening pots, and even a table saw. The hook-on harness and extendable arms add to its versatility, proving useful in various tasks. For those seeking additional functionality, the Aerocart wagon kit, sold separately, can be attached to convert the cart into a 4-wheel mode, expanding its usability. Number 3. Aerocart's Heavy-Duty Dump Cart. The Aerocart's garden dump cart is a versatile and reliable tool designed for transporting and dumping materials like soil, gravel, and mulch. Its durable polyethylene bed resists rust, cracking, and warping, ensuring long-lasting performance. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires, the cart moves smoothly over uneven terrain, while the padded handle grip offers comfort and better control during use. Assembly of the Aerocart is surprisingly straightforward, taking approximately 15 minutes with basic tools such as a Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. When tested, the cart was loaded with bricks, charcoal, an umbrella, and other outdoor items, approaching its stated 600-pound capacity. However, it became evident that a more practical weight limit is around 300 pounds, as maneuvering the front wheel axle and guiding the cart became challenging beyond that point. While the quick-release lever simplifies detaching the bed for dumping, lifting the front of the bed still requires physical effort, further emphasizing the importance of not overloading it. Number 4. Agri-Fab Tow-Behind Garden Cart. For tackling the most demanding tasks, the Agri-Fab Tow-Behind Garden Cart is an excellent choice. This robust cart features a universal hitch that seamlessly attaches to any brand of lawn tractor, making it highly versatile. Its steel bed offers a generous 12 cubic foot capacity and can handle up to 750 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty jobs. The cart is equipped with large 16-inch pneumatic tires, providing excellent ground clearance and smooth movement over rough terrain. A standout feature is the foot-operated dumping lever, which simplifies the process of unloading materials. The cart's steel bed and frame are coated with a scratch-resistant powder finish, enhancing durability and longevity. Additionally, the wheel bearings include grease zerks, ensuring easy maintenance and extended lifespan. These features make the Agri-Fab cart a reliable and long-lasting investment for heavy-duty use. However, assembly can be time-consuming, which may be a drawback for those looking for a quick setup. Number 5. SuperHandy Utility Service Cart. The SuperHandy Garden Cart is a highly versatile, self-propelled utility vehicle designed to handle heavy loads with ease. Powered by a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, this cart can tow loads up to 1,000 pounds and carry up to 660 pounds in its bed. The detachable side panels allow it to function as a flatbed cart, while the built-in handle simplifies dumping contents. Its user-friendly hand controls include a power switch, accelerator trigger, and forward-reverse options, making operation intuitive and efficient. Constructed with a solid steel undercarriage and alloy steel sides and bottom, the SuperHandy cart is notably sturdy, weighing 112 pounds, the heaviest among tested models. Despite its weight, assembly is straightforward, and the battery demonstrated impressive endurance, retaining about 25% charge after 3.5 hours of continuous firewood hauling. Even when loaded with 400 pounds of wood, the cart performs smoothly on rough terrain and slopes, showcasing its robust capabilities. The oversized pneumatic tires provide excellent traction, gripping turf without slipping. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.